Good day to all super Momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Today, super Momshies, these are all the magnetic souvenirs of my kids for almost 15-20 years. So I decided to transform this smiling face into beautiful magnetic flower. So I think I will pick up these two and I'm going to show you how I will transform it. So if you are ready, let's go, super Momshies. We'll do it. Okay, super Momshies, these are the materials I'm going to use. I want to utilize this small flowers that I took it from my old flower vase. So ropes and the magnetic smiling face. So we will start. Okay, so we're going to put the flower, so this will serve like a basket of flower. So I have my two type of magnetic basket. So we'll put flowers. So you just attach any accessories, flowers. If you have all the flowers on your vase that you want to renovate, then you can do also like this. Okay, Super Momshies, see? I have now my magnetic basket flower. So we'll proceed to another one. If you have some old flowers, plastic flowers that you feel boring, you can also reorganize like this for you to have something to see new in your home. It's just easy, just you play it. You just play like this, so it's more fun. Now, Super Momshies, this is now the final touch. So the smiling face magnetic, I transform it into this beautiful flowers. So before we will end up this video, I would like to shout out, of course, to everybody, to all subscribers and non-subscribers, silent viewers. Please give me a thumbs up. If you did not yet subscribe, subscribe now. Press the notification bell for more new videos update. Until next time, see you. Babush!